Hey there, I want to invite you for a 30 minutes free workshop and a series of workshop every Wednesday. Why? Because I want to help you, I want to support you in these challenging times, difficult times, because so many of my friends, colleagues are in this challenge together. So I thought, why not only to give them, but also to everyone else who needs that support. And the goal is to share with you different insights for the first 15 minutes and actually practice different meditation sessions. But those insights are things which I have learned up in the Himalayas, living with the monks, and also from modern thought leader like Tony Robbins. And they are a combination of modern and ancient techniques combined together. So the goal is to make you take one step further to take care of your mental health. The goal is to give you those tools so that you don't get agitated, angry, frustrated so quickly. You have some tools to lower your stress levels every day through breath works and mindsets, different other tools. Again, combination of modern and ancient ones. Also, tools to really deal with your self-criticizing mind. Let's face it, with this pandemic, it has screwed us up like more than ever, right? So, and I'm raising my hand. That's why I understand so many of you. That's why I'm doing these workshops. Is we are constantly bombarding ourselves with the self-criticizing thoughts, and that's why you would get some tools during those workshops. Also, there would be topics like how to grow a empowering mindset, how to change your perspective. And the whole goal is to make you feel a bit more empowered, to set you for the rest of the week during the weekend, so that you don't end up watching Netflix for 5 hours, but you actually do something for yourself. You do something more empowering, healing for your family. Because let's face it, if we are in the victim state of mind, how can we expect others to help? Our loved ones, parents, children, spouse, everybody needs that support, right? Well, this is my contribution to all of you. If you want to join, you're very welcome. And as I said, I'm doing it only now for free. But goal is to help all my friends, colleagues in these difficult situations. Stress and anxiety has become actually not like a second pandemic, but bigger than the pandemic. It has caused more harm, stress and anxiety now, than the COVID itself. Statistics are showing, really. So I'm Shubho, I'm 42 years old, and I am practicing meditation for the last 22 years. Why? Because as a child, as a teenager, I suffered every single day. Every single day would be like feeling like I'm drowning because of different challenges I have, from ADHD to dyslexia, everything. But that's a different story. When I was introduced to meditation when I was about 18, 19, it started giving me hope. Later in my life, it became the source of my strength. I give credit to everything I created, different travel companies, to everything I created, all thanks to meditation. My degree, diploma, whatever I had from Ireland, everything is only because of meditation. Now, that's why I am so much passionate to share these techniques. And later, for the last 3-4 years, I have been really investing a lot of time and money in myself, going to the Himalayas, learning from the source. And now I am sharing with whoever needs that support. So if it sounds like you, just try for the first Wednesday, which is on the 18th, and the link should be somewhere around the video, and I would be very happy to see you inside. See, it's only half an hour instead of watching Netflix, and you won't realize how much time we are spending nowadays with social media. Just invest something for yourself and you will see the benefits. And if you like it, you carry forward. If not, no worries. So take care, and the link is around here. Please click and register, and I hope to see you inside. Take care. Bye bye then.